Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and greetings, AliShanMao here, and welcome to this quick review of the Hawkeye Little Pilot Flight Master Plus little LCD screen for FPV pilots. Now those FPV pilots who do not like video goggles, they feel bad with video goggles or dizzy with video goggles, they do not like boxed video goggles, or those who just want to watch a competition and quickly tune in to their favorite pilot or different pilots' feeds and keep watching the flight and enjoying the FPV flight, this little pilot is for those people. This is Flight Master Plus Edition. Plus Edition is with the DVR, so you can even record the raw flight footage right away with this Hawkeye Little Pilot Flight Master Plus little LCD. So this is a 2.5-inch compact LCD screen. Check out the resolution right here on the screen in the titles. At the left side you have this on-off switch, plus minus button, and a USB port to charge the built-in battery, yes. And at the right side you have a TF card slot for your DVR and of audio type jack here, so you can connect this LCD to DJI HD FPV goggles for a video out and a DVR recording on this one right here. At the back you have speakers as well, and down here a little screw so that you can add it to your radio control or on tripod if you want. There's only one antenna and there's a record button on top as well. Now I can give you a quick look on how things look like. So I have this old M80 VOOP. I hope it's still alive. I'll turn it on and leave it pointing that side and turn on the little pilot. Searching by pressing and holding the plus button. That's nice. You don't have to click, 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 click. It's searching, it's searching. Yes, right there. Look at that. How nice and clear the image is. Look at that. Very nice and clear image of the FPV feed coming from my VOOP. Hey, what's up? Check this out. Okay, so this is this. Hold on. And look at that. I mean, how compact it is. To me, I normally do not fly with LCD screens, and having to have such small LCD, I have to do a lot of getting used to. But check this out, some of the nifty, coolest things for this little model right here, that if you have a Radiomaster TX12, this tiny radio control with a little bit of 3D printing or kind of aftermarket parts, you can add this right here. And also if you have bigger radios like TX16, you can always get aftermarket parts to add this thing on. If you have boxed video goggles and you do not have DVR, you can use this as a DVR as well. Also, this is really nice, once again, for those who just want to watch your flight and go on an FPV ride together with you. You can always have this. For instance, whenever I go out with my kids and fly FPV, they always want to watch what I am watching in my video goggles. They can actually have this in their hands and enjoy all my flight, you know, the FPV flight, and even record my FPV flight. So having to have this small compact little LCD screen with DVR, man, that is a blessing, I can tell you. Now I will just remove the antenna, and I can tell you this is my small hand and this is as big as it is. I can easily toss it in my pocket anywhere, and whenever I want I can turn it on and start watching the FPV feed of my choice. If I am at a competition or if I'm flying, I can also use this to fly with FPV. It has a very sensitive video receiver according to Firefly, which I'm going to test very soon. So when I will go fly, yes, stay tuned for those videos, when I will go fly the FlyWoo micro long range FPV racing quadcopter, I can easily use the little pilot DVR LCD screen Flight Master Plus and see what kind of range I'm getting using the built-in receiver on this and what is the quality of DVRs. If you want to connect it to your DJI goggles, it does come with this little cable right here. Okay, so all you need to do is plug this one here, and this other side goes to your DJI FPV HD FPV goggles, and you can easily get the AV in here. This is basically AV in. You easily get the video here and use it as a DVR, or use it just to view what the pilot is watching in the DJI HD goggles. So my friends are flying an RC airplane, and the guy over there is shooting a video of the FPV chase, and I can actually watch what he's watching using the little pilot, Hawkeye Firefly little pilot Flight Master Plus with DVR. So I'm gonna turn it on, and I hope it will just fix on his quad. I hope his quad is on. I will search the signals. Got it this time, and I should sit and enjoy watching his flight. This guy have some very nice practice. As you can see, he's following it very well, and from the DVR shot you can see it's that was a nice move, very nice move. I wish it was HD footage, but as you can see, the little pilot works, and it's absolutely a must-have for FPV viewers. You know, if you want to watch other pilot flying and you want to enjoy their FPV flight, or you fly yourself and you don't want video goggles, you can always use the Little Master, this little LCD, to fly and enjoy your FPV flights.
Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.